All right.
David, you're a
Oh,
co-host, David.
oh.
And I'm
Happy
muted.
New Year, everyone.
Oh, there's Shavez.
Happy New Year.
New Year. I wish everybody had a really great day so far in 2025. I mean, I had one. This today is a great day. Uh, Pretty good start. We were testing Liquid Pay for last couple of weeks. Uh, the the fully developed app, but today, first of the year, uh, I got the opportunity to uh, start distributing the app to you guys. So that we could not do today because the teams that are involved, like my team is working, but the KYC team and the other companies, other dependent integrations that we have, those teams are not available. So we could not push it today. But yes, I had Lucky download the app, generate her first card. She generated the card. She spent money also. So today is a memorable day for all of us. You know, now we know it works. It works. Uh, Months and months of hard work, months and months of chasing license providers, uh, different companies, different things, trying to get a license, trying to get some entity registered in some country, trying to set up everything so that it works properly, so that we are not dependent on any other company, any other provider, and the fee can be very marginal and we can be providers. So this is a very big uh, thing, very big accomplishment that we made as a company, that we made as a tech team. So I want to congratulate everyone first and thank you guys for all the support. Without you guys, I cannot, you know, do it. My dev team cannot do it. You know, it's all community. So we did it again. And before I explain everything, before I, uh, you know, go on and give you guys, uh, more insights, what's going to happen, how it's going to work, uh, what is exciting, I would like Lucky to share her screen first and show you guys the card, and okay, let us see how much money she spent from evening till now. Where is
Good
she?
evening, everyone. Happy New Year. Shavez, wow. I love it. I will love to share with everyone. And I have to tell you guys, the process was so easy. So from downloading the app to KYC and me depositing the money and spending the money within 10 minutes, it took like less than 10 minutes to do the whole process. It was really smooth. And yeah, I love it. Let me share my screen.
All right.
Need a high-quality AI voice?
Okay, here we go.
All right. Oh, she spent money. Nice.
I spend money. Here we go. So as you can see, I'll let you talk it through if you want, Shabazz.
Sure. So this is the app interface. So this is the pilot version of the app. The features one by one, they are going to come. So right now, only card spending with pilot card and your KYC, everything is ready. So when you download the app, you go through a process of registration first, then you do your KYC. Once your KYC gets approved, then you get the option to activate your card. And Lucky's KYC approval took, I think, 2 seconds.
Yes, 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Yes. So KYC is done in live environment. You cannot upload picture. You have to take a picture with your physical document. Then you have to turn on your camera, scan your face. It will check liveliness. That if you're not dead, yes, it validates, and then once you complete your KYC, you generate your card. Once you generate your card, you get your deposit wallet address when you click on deposit. So as of now, in the pilot cards, we have Polygon network with which you will be able to deposit and spend. Anyone who wants to send Lucky some USDT Polygon, here is her address. And you guys can track, take this address and check on-chain transactions as well. So it's pretty cool. Um, so this is how it looks. You can deposit. Withdraw feature is not open right now.
So I've added
Withdraw
it
feature
to
will
my
come
Google Wallet.
one. Yes. So you can add this card to your Apple Pay wallet, Google Pay wallet. You can add to WeChat Pay, Alipay. We tested in different countries. We tested in India, UAE, Lucky testing in UK. Few of my team members tested in China. It works. KYC got approved. They spent in the stores. They spent online. It works in China. Tomorrow, I'm going to test in Netherlands with David, Kevin in Vietnam. And then once we just do this, few more members, and then we will publish it on the stores. You all can download, you all can generate the cards, start spending, and start inviting people. It's crazy. It's a massive mass product. So right now in the profile section, you have options. In the settings, you have 2FA and everything. You can change your spending limit also. So in the card, you can put 1 million also. This is a pilot card. You can spend anything. This pilot card has no limit. Okay. So this card will be active. So you guys can see on the screen, we have put a message, special message. Right now, this is the only trial card and valid only until January 31st, 2025. So this card is active only until 31st of January. So after 31st, this card will be disabled. The actual expiration of this card is 2029 because Visa cannot issue card for 1 month. Right. So it is actually 2029, but this is a pilot card which we are offering for you guys for free, for the community for free. So this will be active only for 1 month. All right. Once you deposit with your deposit wallet address, something in your deposit wallet, it arrives with the conversion fee already. So once you deposit, 2% conversion fee is deducted. So Lucky deposited $1,000. It came 980. That means 2% was automatically in advance got deducted, because what happens with other cards I have seen, crypto.com, Revolut, they charge all these fees in the transactions. So you cannot see conversion, Forex, and what do you call it? So, and then there will be fee also in the Forex exchange, right? So let's say so this is a US dollar card, first of all. So let's say I'm doing transaction in Europe. So it's in pound or euro, right? So whatever conversion rate is of dollar to pound, right? That also comes into picture. So that is Forex. But the interesting thing is when you guys go to a store or when you guys use this card, use Liquid Pay card, you use the card and you pay in US dollar everywhere. So when I go somewhere right now in Dubai, or if I use the card, I choose. So it gives the POS machines, they give you USD and AED option, USD, or in India, INR option, USD, or it sometimes gives you Hong Kong dollar also, because it's a Hong Kong based card. For Lucky, it would give pound. For David, it will give euro. So if you select US dollar, then there will be no Forex conversion as well. So the fee will be even lesser, where you get the option to choose US dollar. So this will be the cheapest option in the United States. So people living in the US, they will not even pay conversion fee. So cheaper transactions, yes. Okay, many things you guys will learn, you guys will understand when you will get the hold of the card in your hands. So let's start the new year with Liquid Pay, and I hope everyone is going to take you know, advantage of this particular offer, the drive that we are running, and uh, this is really big for our community. I think what I said that day, that if an average leader is not able to 3x or 4x their network with liquid pay, I think uh, it's possible. It's fairly possible. It's for free. You download the app, you make others download the app, and they will come back to you. They will buy the card. Because why not? Why not? The power to spend crypto. I'm not saying about that this spending or this utility to spend crypto is not available or was not available before. It was available. It is available. But the the real thing is it works everywhere. In Asia, there was no provider till now. There are some providers which are working, which are not able to set up, not able to function properly, all these things. So we will be Asia's largest full-fledged spending payment processors. And then when it comes to US, uh, it is very difficult in the US, and our card will work in the US. Imagine users, people have a lot of money to spend. You just need to find them and sell a card. That's the day. I'm going to coordinate tomorrow. One of my friends, he's going to do his KYC. So Apple Build is ready. Actually, Apple had this invite challenge. So whenever we do test flights in Apple, you have to send the invite and the other person has to approve it. Then they have to create a developer account. Then you can download the app like I have. So that that was the challenge with David. Otherwise, I would have asked him to do it today. So Apple link will be available. Then I will test in New York. Imagine crypto spending transaction in New York. It's impossible in New York. And if we are able to do it, you guys just need to find people. Just tell people that I have a spending tool. With that, you can spend in any country. That's it. It freaking works in China. We tested. People went, they added the card in WeChat Pay, they added the card in Alipay, they paid, they checked. I was testing the card. I was going around the world with card. I went to Vietnam with the card. But with the app built, with our branding, with everything integrated as a user, for the first time it is working from last couple of days. So it's pretty crazy for me. So much of hard work, so much of so many things. We had to change name, we had to change branding, so many different things. 3 times we changed name. First, first we named, I will not say it here. First we named something else. Then we kept 9pay. We developed the website. Okay. I thought, okay, now the tech is ready. We can now build website. Before website, there was different name. And then after website, some things came. Then I had to change. Okay. I said, okay, let's change it. But right now, what I would say, what we have done is really, really crazy. I will show you. I will show you guys. Now, this is not just one thing. We are launching the whole ecosystem with this separately with LQUID. So it's LQUID Finance. And within LQUID Finance, there will be ecosystem in which there is liquid pay and there is liquidity pool also, where you guys understand what is liquidity pool. And okay, let's enter liquid pay. So this is
Dacht je dat e-commerce niet meer werkte? Deze mini-print
the new website. There is whole roadmap. So interesting thing is also there. We will introduce tap and pay on our app. So with your Liquid Pay app, you don't have to bind also your card with Apple Pay, Google Pay. I mean, you can, of course, but our app will also have tap and pay feature directly in the machines, directly in the POS channels. So this is the roadmap. Then we have everything. All the policies are there. Everything is done. So Liquid Finance is interesting for me. Here, ecosystem tells that there is more that is going to come within this, and it will keep on expanding very differently. The vision with which we created the card has broadened now, and I think with BTCC, with our blockchain ecosystem, we will be able to do bigger things. So I'm pretty excited about the convergence of BTC20 with Liquid Pay after some time, and that would be massive. So that's what I am aiming for, and that's why Liquid Finance will emerge as an ecosystem separately. And you guys also understand the gravity of the whole concept. The industry that in which we are working is very fast, is very challenging. Cryptocurrencies are created every single minute right now. You go to smart contract directories and you will find new smart contracts deployed every single minute. This is the reason why I don't do tokens. Have you guys seen any token that came from me so far? No tokens. Do you guys think I cannot create token? That's why I believe in creating products. And yes, we will tokenize all these products. But first, we will make these products successful. That's what the whole essence of the industry is. So as number of tokens are getting into this whole, industry, and this is a very fast moving industry, what I observed was the niche, which is spending, was very small. But now, during this bull run and just after the bull run, people who will liquidate or people who will make the gains from crypto, they need to spend. Right? So what we have brought is actually driving the industry backwards. What industry needed initially, this is a very uh, philosophical concept. What industry needed from before was the influx of capital from centralized finance to decentralized finance, and that's how decentralized finance got flourished. But the issue was with DeFi, there was no interaction back to the centralized finance. There was interaction, but all these interactions had so many dependencies, so many steps. Use a centralized exchange, then transfer it to your bank account, use this, use a peer-to-peer platform, use this, use that, 1 step, 2 step, 3. No, spend it directly. That's how we are tapping the rivers. This is what we call, the reverse, uh, reverse osmosis. When in the scientific formula, osmosis, where there is less water, if you put raisins in water, it absorbs water and becomes like a grape back, right? And in reverse osmosis, what happens if you put the grapes already soaked in water into something else, into some dry shit, the other shit will get water, right? So this program, Liquid Pay, is reverse osmosis of the industry. And this is what you and we are sitting on. If every single one of you will be able to make phone calls within this 1 month enough right? Then it will change your life. It will turn every situation, every circumstances upside down in your life. That's it. If they buy card, they will buy everything. Then they will say Dodo. Then they will see BTCC. They will get cash back for spending. Even before buying the card, they will ask you for USDT BTC20. They will ask, why can't I pay and buy the card with any currency? Why do I need USDT BTC20 to buy the card? Then you will tell, this is our ecosystem. This is why you need it. So the demand is going to be higher than supply now. To all the sellers who are selling their BTCC in cheap price, and people are buying it, this is very crazy right now. People are, misguiding each other. They're like, okay, sell it. I think it will go zero. I think it will go back to $3. Sell it. I think you should sell it. And they are buying it in exchange of TRC20 or anything. I mean, the same guy who is telling you it will go zero is paying you and buying that. Does it make any sense? People who are buying at cheap price are the smartest people. I encourage you all to buy it at more cheaper price. The people who are selling at cheaper price are the believers who are going to come back. So this is how it is. Bitcoin was also called a bubble. People bought it. They exactly the same thing will happen with harvesting. When you will see BTCC $1,000, then you will start to harvest very quick. Yeah, exactly. So year is going to go really good, really well. I think 2025 is our year. The seeds that we had sown, they grew up, and it's time to reap all the fruits. 2025, I have been manifesting. I think all our energies will combine, and this is going to be the most successful year in our whole life till now. I mean, we will aim for 2026 again, but this one is going to be really big. So I don't know. Nothing is going to stop you guys, I think now. Go grab it. Grab the whole market now. You guys have the whole arsenal of products. I don't want to take more time. This today was just to meet and greet. I can take some questions from community today. It's New Year.
Wonderful. Thank you, Chavez. That is amazing. So much fun. The liquid pay card. Lucky had too much fun. Give her a few more minutes. That $800 will be gone. Fantastic. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and put our videos on and be able to ask our questions. Please go ahead. You have raised your virtual hand. Put it on your video. Okay.